Hello everyone and welcome to the next video on our official YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the admit cards. IIIT Hyderabad has released its admit card on date properly. जैसे मान लो 2nd May को exam थी. They have said they will release the admit card before 10 days and around 21st the admit cards are out. So we are making a detailed video. Stay tuned for all the things जो कि आपको exam के लिए important रहेगी in the exam hall. Those things you need to take care of. So before starting, we do have the IIITprep team has this UGEE Guides. This has been designed solely for the UGEE exam. You can check this out. These are available on the official website. You get the ebook of this 3 set of books on our official website at a reasonable cost and you get the access instantly. So those who are willing to prepare for the REAP and the UGEE exam, they can check this out on our official website. Apart from that, now let's look at the how you are going to download your admit card. The link is this. This is the basic link for your UGEE. This is how the web page opens. Here, you will not find an option to like download or view your admit card. You just need to click on this announcement. Here you will see that 21st April is the announcement date. You just need to click on this. This is how the page will open. This is the login window. Here you need to log in with the ID from which you have applied or registered for the UGEE exam, and that is how you will be able to access the admit card. Many students has this doubt like how should we access the portal, because you will not get a direct link to this. The link is via this. Open this first and then this. Okay, so this is how you are going to get your admit card. Before that, IIITprep has recently launched this free tracker completely for UGEE exam. Those students who are willing to prepare, they can check this out at tracker.iiitprep.com. This is completely for free. You just go there. You can track your entire progress, your mock test, your PYQ score regarding both the SVPR topic and the REAP section. So everything is there. Along with that, we are also going to provide the like whatever the students, our IIITprep students are there, their interview, their podcast we are releasing. So those are directly accessible from this portal. So please take the benefit of it. And there are also many resources that we have added. It is in the resources section. Please take the benefit of it. Now let's look at the admit card. So this is how the admit card for UGEE 2026-2027. This is one of the admit card of a student only. So admit card number, all those things are there. You need to take a printout. All those things we are going to discuss point by point, right? What things to be done, what are the changes, right? Admit card में इस साल क्या change किया है, all those things हम देखते हैं. Here simple reporting time is 7:30 and closes by this. This is very much important. जैसे आपकी exam, your exam is from 9 to 12. The gate is getting closed at 8:30, right? So make sure you leave early. JEE means there are many students, so most of the like small cities also they will get exam center in their city. But that's not the case with UGEE exam. There are many smaller cities where the exam is not going to conduct, that is going to conduct with a nearby city. So students need to travel to that city. Let's suppose few students are having a center around 3 hours or 4 hours of travel journey that they have to do. So for the student, please make sure you leave early because the entry gate will be closed by 8:30. If you stuck by some traffic or some random incident, make sure you don't lose the exam. So plan accordingly. That's what I'm going to say. After that, we have already discussed that TCS digital ion centers hote and that this is a decent amount. Now let's look at the instruction. First one is print. That is the thing that you all know. Second thing is very much important, that when you will print this admit card, you don't need to sign it. You don't need to sign it now. You need to sign it, but in front of the invigilator at the exam center. If you will sign it now, that admit card will not be valid. So you'll have to take another printout. So what we recommend is, while taking the printout of admit card, make sure you take around 3 to 4 copies of the admit card. One keep with you, another keep with your parents or whosoever guardian is coming with you for the exam or the bag. Please keep in that. So let's suppose if in an emergency you lost your admit card, that admit card, a supplementary admit card will be there, and that is going to help you in the bad times. Okay. फिर बाकी छोटी-छोटी चीजें we are not going to go on all those things. Most important thing is you need to carry one. यहाँ पे लिखा है. Let's highlight that. Any one of the admit card. Best is Aadhaar card. Best is Aadhaar card. Photocopies, e-copies are not allowed. Okay, so आपको proper physical PAN card या फिर Aadhaar card दोनों में से whichsoever you feel the best you carry. If you have to, well and good, you carry both till the exam center. Keep one in the bag or keep one with the parent so that you won't get hassle at the end. Carry one with you, right? So there's something, always keep a backup. That's what the UGEE exam is all about. In the same way, you need to keep the backup for your original ID proof and your hall ticket or the admit card. Okay, after that, you just need to bring a pen. This is the only pen. Papers are going to be provided by them. And there's also one important thing after that is, any electronic devices and watches you can't keep calculator, mobile phone, watches, all those devices you can't take. What's the important thing from this is watches are not allowed in the exam center. So while giving the IIIT prep mock test, like the exam is a bit closer, around 10 days. So whatever the mocks you are giving, make sure you don't keep your watch there. Just follow on the watch that has been displayed on the portal. The IIIT prep mocks, the entire dashboard, the entire portal is similar to of your UGEE final exam. Ditto similar, 2 sections, 1 section, then second unlock, else you can't switch. The marking scheme, the virtual calculator that we provide, same to same, ditto as of your final exam. Make sure you don't keep your watch while giving you the mock. Try to make the same environment as the final exam. Okay, in your mock where you'll get at exam.iitprep.com. These are dedicated mocks made by our team. Rest you will file n number of mocks. Those are just random mocks, just taking the question and fulfilling the mocks and all. We don't work on to those things. These are dedicated mocks prepared by the proper faculties who have been analyzing UGEE exams since 4-5 years. Okay. After that, a scientific calculator will be given. This one small thing that they have introduced, IIIT Hyderabad introduced, is wherever applicable. So it's not like the calculator will be applicable for entire 3 hours of exam. Wherever they feel that their calculations are a bit heavy, there they will provide you that option. So this is something new IIIT Hyderabad added this time. Earlier it was like the virtual calculator is there and you can use it. But now it can be used only for certain questions where they have enabled it. Okay. So that's one of them. And we have discussed this 8:30 wala concept, that 8:30 ke baad you will not be able to enter the exam. So make sure your reporting time 7:30, 8:30 to get close ho jayega. Try to make sure that you reach there by 7:45 or 8. Yes, max to max. And if your city is too far, then try to plan or try to add a buffer into your, let's suppose 3 घंटे का आपका ट्रैवल है, तो 3 घंटे में आप 1 घंटा या फिर 2 घंटा बफर ऐड कर दीजिए, बिकॉज आप थोड़ा ब्रेकफास्ट भी करोगे, फ्रेश हो जाओगे किसी नई सिटी में पहुंच के. जैसे मान लो 3 घंटे का है तो of course you are going to cross a city, then you take a bit rest, you take a light breakfast, not heavy breakfast, light breakfast आप करिए, तो it will take time. So in that case make sure you take a break of 2 hours. ठीक है. Rest is जो सारी चीजें, these are the normal things that I have read, but I don't feel it's important to cover in this video. After that, mock tests are there, so this is the schedule. Of course this is a preferred date. All the mock tests are already released. You can go, you can log in at exam.iitprep.com. website is pretty much simple and you can access the mocks. In the last days, we'll recommend mock, very important for all the students. रीप के लेक्चर्स आप कंप्लीट करिए कोर्स से, डीपीपीस करिए, जो आपको चीट शीट दी है उसको करिए, एंड मॉक्स लगाइए. दिस इज हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू आइटरेट इन द लास्ट डेज ऑफ योर यूजीई प्रिपरेशन. जिन्होंने बुक लिया है उनको डिस्काउंट मिलता है मॉक्स पे. दे कैन क्लेम ऑन आवर ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट ओनली. exam.iitprep.com से आपको सारी हो जाएगी. दिस आर द लाइव डाउट सॉल्विंग सेशन रिगार्डिंग द क्रैश कोर्स, जनरल डिस्कशन सेशन, एंड दोज हु आर विलिंग टू प्रिपेयर, लाइक उनको यहाँ पे बहुत कम टाइम होता है. यूजीई एग्जाम के बारे में बहुत कम लोगों को पता भी होता है. वी have created crash course. It's a concise 10 days crash course. So those who are willing to prepare with the faculties, they want some guidance, they want a strategic way of preparation, they want a proper quizzes, DPPs, lecture notes, revision notes, they can check the courses on our official website. A crash course promo will be paid. Those who are interested, they can check it out. And that's it. Thank you. If you have any doubt, just comment down in the video. We'll try to make a detailed video on that topic. We'll try to cover all those topics in detail in the upcoming video. And yeah, अभी 10 दिन बचे. The only thing that we'll say to all the students is just put in the effort. Just put in the effort. जो होता है ना, स्टूडेंट को हैमर करते रहो, एक दिन तो क्रैक होगा. That is how the UGEE exam is there. So just have faith in yourself. Just focus on the exam. And yeah, we'll crack this exam this year. Please have a faith in yourself. With the team, of course, देखो IIITprep की team is always supportive in the UGEE exam. बहुत सारे आप भी देख रहे हो कि आपके जो भी डाउट्स आ रहे हैं क्रैश कोर्स में, आपको इंस्टेंटली रिप्लाई आता होगा. Those are active and everyone is working day and night for the students. We know the students are also working day and night. Like उनकी preparation and all that matters the most. So those students जिन्होंने अभी resources कोई explore नहीं किया है, they haven't gone through any resources, will say them that hey, if you are ready to work, if you are really interested, if you are ready to put in the hard work, then please go and check out the IIITprep resources. We have a very excellent crash course and the mock test series. हम crash course में आपको interview support भी provide करते हैं after clearing your exam. So those who want to really focus, those who are ready to put in the effort, जो last 10 day बचे हैं, those who are ready to work, those who are ready to put in the effort, please check the course out and join the course out. You will be getting the best quality result out of this 10 days, and that's what I can say. Let's crack IIIT Hyderabad this year too. Thank you. Bye bye.